This is Stephen Bridges with Construction Laser. In this video, we're going to show how to export our project file from the new iCON 6.0 to the MC1 machine control software. At the end of this, we'll also go through how to export it to iCON 3D if you have the older machine control software. So pretty easy task. We've already, assuming you've got all your files in iCON and you've localized the site and created a coordinate system. So from there, you'll just go to export, saying what do we want to send over. We want to send the whole project, and the CLI training project is the one we want to send. It automatically selected the one we're in. Saying where do you want to send it to? We're going to send it to removable disk, and not the iCON 3D, but just removable disk G. Check, and we want to copy it, and green check. And that's all there is to send it out to the machines with MC1. Now, if you want to send it out to iCON 3D, it's a little longer process, but not bad. We'll go to export. We'll select the line work, the surface, and we'll go to, it's saying where do you want to send it to. Undo iCON 3D. Check. And I'm sorry, new project under iCON 3D. And then we got to give it a name. CLI training, and we're going to do copy and check. So after we've got our line work and our surface over there, now we need to export our coordinate system. So we're going to go to data, change that to coordinate systems, and they'll have whatever the job name is, .loc. And we're going to click on here and hit the button down on our iCON 3D, and then CLI training, check, and then the LOK is the format, and green check. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps. Thank you.